Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a gamer, a content creator, or someone who just loves powerful laptops, today I've got something really exciting for you. We're diving deep into the Acer Nitro V16 gaming laptop, powered by the brand new AMD Zen 4 Ryzen 7 processor, NVIDIA RTX 4060 graphics, and packed with features that make it one of the best gaming laptops in 2025. And guess what? I'll leave my Amazon affiliate link down in the description so you can check the latest deals and grab yours if you like what you see. Let's get started. At the heart of the Acer Nitro V16 is the AMD Ryzen 7 8845HS processor. This is an 8-core, 16-thread Zen 4 chip designed to deliver smooth, responsive performance whether you're gaming, streaming, editing videos, or running multiple apps at once. Pair that with 32 gigabytes of DDR5 memory, and you've got future-proof multitasking power. DDR5 is faster and more efficient than DDR4, so your games and creative apps will load quicker, run smoother, and stay stable even under heavy workloads. And storage won't be an issue either. You get a 1 terabyte solid-state drive, giving you lightning-fast boot times and enough space to store your entire game library, media collection, and work files without worrying about running out of room. Now let's talk graphics, the most important part for gamers. The Nitro V16 comes equipped with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 with 8 GB of dedicated VRAM. This GPU is built for the latest AAA titles, esports, and even creative workloads like 3D rendering or AI-based tools. Ray tracing, DLSS, and AI-enhanced graphics give you stunning visuals while still maintaining smooth frame rates. And of course, you need a great display to enjoy those visuals. Here, Acer gives you a 16-inch WUXGA IPS display with a crisp 1920 by 1200 resolution and a super-fast 165 Hz refresh rate. That means sharper images, ultra-smooth motion, and a truly immersive gaming experience. One thing I love about this laptop is the selection of ports. You get 2 USB-A 3.2 ports, a USB-C port, an HDMI 2.1 output for connecting to external monitors or TVs, and even an RJ45 gigabit Ethernet port for ultra-stable wired internet connection when you need the fastest online gaming connection. These ports make it versatile. You can hook up external drives, accessories, or even a full desktop setup when you're at home and still enjoy portability when you're on the go. The Nitro V16 isn't just about raw power. Acer has also paid attention to the user experience. It runs on Windows 11 Pro, giving you access to all the latest productivity and gaming features from Microsoft. The Backlit Keyboard makes it easy to game or work in low-light environments, and it looks awesome with the Nitro's sleek design. For audio, you get DTS-X Ultra sound technology, delivering immersive 3D audio, which is a game-changer for shooters, RPGs, and even watching movies. Plus, it comes with AI noise reduction, so whether you're chatting on Discord, streaming on Twitch, or joining work meetings, your voice stays crystal clear. So, who is this laptop for? If you're a competitive gamer, you'll love the high refresh rate display and RTX 4060 graphics. If you're a content creator, the Ryzen 7 CPU with 32 GB of DDR5 RAM will let you edit videos, render projects, and multitask without breaking a sweat. And if you're a student or professional who needs a laptop that can handle both productivity and entertainment, the Nitro V16 delivers performance, storage, and connectivity in one sleek package. This is really a laptop that can adapt to different lifestyles while still being future-ready. Now, if you're considering buying the Acer Nitro V16, I highly recommend checking it out on Amazon. Not only do you often get the best prices and deals, but you also get fast shipping, reliable customer service, and sometimes even bundle offers, like an authentic HDMI cable included. Plus, shopping through Amazon gives you peace of mind with easy returns and warranty support. So, to wrap things up, the Acer Nitro V16 gaming laptop with AMD Ryzen 7, RTX 4060, 32 gigabytes of DDR5 memory, and 1 terabyte SSD is a powerhouse built for gamers, creators, and professionals who want performance without compromise. If you're ready to level up your gaming and productivity, click the link in the description below to check the latest price and grab one today through my Amazon affiliate link. It helps support the channel and costs you nothing extra. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe for more reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.